Okay, so for this example, they give us the fact that angle 2 is 110 degrees. So I like to just add that in for angle 2. So now what we need to do is we need to find the measure of each other angle using some postulate or theorem, and we need to write it out. So the measure of angle 8, this is over here, so angle 8 and angle 2. The measure has to do with it being supplementary, and the reason why we know it's supplementary is because it is a linear pair. So 110 is subtracted from 180, and we are left with 70 degrees. And then we just write linear pair postulate. And it's okay to abbreviate words like postulate and theorem, and you'll kind of get the hang of what I'm writing here. So I've got angle 1 now. Well, I know angle 8, so I can do angle 1, and these are corresponding angles, so I'm going to say that this is 70, and this is corresponding angles. And then this one is a theorem. So now we've got the measure of angle 3, and if I looked at number 2 and angle 3, I'm looking at them being the same, they're congruent, and the reason why that is because these are alternate exterior angles theorem. And notice how I abbreviated that, and you are allowed to do that as well. I now have angle 4. Well, angle 4 compared to angle 2, that's a linear pair, so I know that they have to add up to 180, so this is 70 degrees. And I'm just going to write linear pair postulate again. And you could have also done vertical angles theorem if you compared it to angle 8. That would have worked out just fine. So the measure of angle 7, this one dealing with angle 2 is 110 degrees, and we just talked about this, but it's the vertical angle theorem, which we can abbreviate VAT. That's the vertical angle theorem. And then 6 compared to 2, angle 6 is the same. It's got to be congruent, and the reason why is this is corresponding. Remember, you can go back, you can watch any of this stuff over again. That's the beauty of it being a video. You are going to need to know how to do this, so please make sure you take the time to go through and learn how to do this stuff.